Hello everyone, welcome back to PC Error Detective. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to update Windows 10 Insider Preview quickly and safely on your PC. Step 1. Click the Start button at the bottom left corner of your screen and open Settings. This is where all your system options are located, and it allows you to access the update features. Step 2. Once the Settings window opens, click on Update and Security. This section manages all updates, security settings, and backup options for your Windows system. Step 3. In the Update and Security menu, click on Windows Update. This is where you can see all available updates and manage how your PC receives them. Step 4. Click on Check for Updates. This button scans Microsoft servers for the latest Insider Preview builds and ensures your PC is up to date. Step 5. If an update is available, download and install it. After the installation finishes, restart your PC when prompted to apply the update and enjoy the newest features. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to PC Error Detective for more helpful guides.